So this is my chemistry experiment. This is a regular light bulb and some delicious water. You want to make sure that the metal is completely covered so that the water can act as a buffer. We're going to place it in the microwave. Gotta balance it. We're gonna set it for 45 seconds. Can't see the start button. And watch the light bulb light up. And what is causing this is the microwave waves are heating up the tungsten filament inside the light bulb and causing it to light up. It's kind of hard to see through this black stuff, but I can see it. And hopefully we will be able to see it when I open the microwave for a short moment. So it doesn't get super bright, but it just lights it up enough that you can see the tungsten filament inside the light bulb being lit by the rays of the microwave.